Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for Baba Ramdev changes his mind, says will take COVID jab, calls doctor got involved. Yoga guru Baba Ramdev, who had said he does not need the COVID-19 vaccine as he has the protection of yoga and Ayurveda, on Thursday did a somersault saying he will soon get the jab and described doctors as God involved on earth. Baba Ramdev had earlier stirred a controversy with his comments on its efficacy of allopathic drugs against COVID-19, drawing the area of medical fraternity. Now welcoming PM Narendra Modi announcement about free vaccine to all from June 9, 21. Baba Ramdev described it as a historic step and appeal to all to get themselves vaccinated. Get both doses of the vaccine and the double protection of yoga and Ayurveda. They will combine to give you such a robust shield of protection that not a single person will die from COVID, he told reporters in Haridwar. Asked when he will get the vaccine shot, the yoga guru said very soon. Baba Ramdev also heaped praise on good allopathic doctors, describing them as God involved on earth. Karnataka extends lockdown in 11 districts till June 21. The Karnataka government on Thursday extended the lockdown by a week until June 21, while relaxing some restriction in districts with positivity rates below 15%. The current restriction will remain in the place for the 11 districts with a high positivity rate. There will, however, be no changes to the existing guidelines for the districts of Chikmagalur, Shivamonga, Davanagere, Mysuru, Chamrajanagara, Hassan, Dakshina, Kannada, Bengaluru rural, Mandya, Belagavi and Kodagu, which have a high positivity rate. As a result, existing regulation will apply in these districts. The deputy commissioners have been given the authority to take stringent action after consulting with district in charge minister. The decision was made following a review meeting on the COVID-19 pandemic situation in Karnataka chaired by Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa along with senior minister and officials. Here we need to know, according to the guidelines issued by the government earlier, the following relaxation will be in effect in the remaining districts from 6 a.m. on June 14 to 6 a.m. on June 21. All industries are permitted to operate with a staff of 50%. However, garment factories can only operate with 30% of employees. Shops selling essential goods will be allowed to operate from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. All construction activities are allowed to start. All construction-related businesses such as cement, steel are permitted to open. Parks will be open to the public from 5 a.m. to 10 a.m. Street vendors are permitted to operate from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. Autos and taxis are allowed to carry only 2 passengers. COVID curfew will be imposed from 7 p.m. to 5 a.m. Weekend curfews will be effect from Friday at 7 p.m. to Monday at 5 a.m. Detailed guidelines will be issued separately. Karnataka on Thursday lodged 11,042 new cases of COVID-19 and 194 deaths, taking the total number of infection 27,39,290 and the death toll to 32,485. Indiscriminate incomplete vaccination can promote mutant strains, health experts tell PM Modi. A group of public health experts including doctors from AIMS and members from the National Task Force on COVID-19 have said mass, indiscriminate and incomplete vaccination can trigger the emergence of mutant strains. The panel have also recommended that there was no need to inoculate those who have had coronavirus infection. In the latest report, the experts from the Indian Public Health Association, Indian Association of Preventive and Social Medicine, and Indian Association of Epidemiologists said vaccinating the vulnerable and those at risk instead of mass population-wide inoculation, including children, should be the aim at present. The present situation of the pandemic in the country demands that we should be guided by the logistics and epidemiological data to prioritize vaccination rather than opening vaccination for all age groups at this stage. Opening all fronts simultaneously will drain human and other resources and would be spreading it too thin to make an impact at the population level. The expert said in the report, which has been submitted to PM Narendra Modi, highlighting that vaccination of young adults and children is not supported by evidence and would not be cost effective. They said unplanned inoculation can promote mutant strains.